So the first 2014 box is 2014 Panini Select. Gonna have 2 mini boxes, 10 packs. Five cards per, or 5 packs per mini box. I think there's, 4 hits. Empty box. Usually 2 autos, 2 jerseys. Sometimes they throw some extra autos in there. I think they have hot boxes of or hot mini boxes too. Alright. 10 packs, 2014 Panini Select. Going to be 4 hits. Pack number 1. Got a red, white, blue parallel for the Panthers. Coney Ely, red, white, blue, or red, blue, numbered out of 99. Coney Ely for the Panthers. Numbered out of 99. There's pack number 1. Pack number 2. Got an autograph in this one. Just the auto. Niall Davis for the Chiefs. Niall Davis for the Chiefs autograph. And I don't see a numbering on it. Niall Davis autograph for the Chiefs, not numbered. So there's hit number 1. This one feels a little thicker than the last couple of packs. Should be hit number 2. And it's definitely going to be hit 2. Got an orange rookie for the Chargers, Tevin Reese. Actually for the Bengals. Chargers jersey, but the card says Bengals. So that one will go to the Bengals. Tevin Reese. Numbered, not numbered. Just a base rookie, Tevin Reese for the Bengals. And hit number 2. For the Chargers this time. Nice. Brandon Oliver. Looks like a pink prism out of 199. Brandon Oliver for the Chargers out of 199. So there's 2 autos in mini box 1. So we might actually get 3 autos total out of the box. This one packs a little stuck. So this mini box 1 should be done with hits. Maybe a couple pair of those. Oh, there's 2. Got a Super Bowl. Eddie Lacy Super Bowl. I think these cards sell pretty decently too. Eddie Lacy for the Packers. Super Bowl. And then a Jawan James for the Dolphins rookie. Jawan James. Last pack of mini box 1. Got a rookie and a parallel. Pretty decent rookie for the Steelers, Martavis Bryant. Martavis Bryant for the Steelers, not numbered. And a red and orange parallel for the Lions, Matthew Stafford. Matthew Stafford, red or orange. out of 75. Nice one for the Lions. So mini box 2. Going to be 2 more hits in this mini box. Hopefully 2 more autos. Got a purple parallel for the Eagles, Jeremy Maclin, out of 199. It's like a purplish pink out of 199. Jeremy Maclin for the Eagles. This one's a thick one. Should be a hit. Should be a hit. Yep, just the hit. And it's a jersey. Nice one. For the Steelers, Jerome Bettis. Select Stars. Nice jersey. That is out of 50. Really nice. Jerome Bettis for the Steelers out of 50. So there is 3 hits, just 1 remaining. A couple of rookies in this one. For the Texans, C.J. Fedorowicz. C.J. Fedorowicz for the Texans. Not numbered. And a Marcus Smith for the Eagles. Marcus Smith for the Eagles. Not numbered on that one either. 2 packs left. Still looking for 1 more hit. Looks like it's going to be some points. Just the points card. 150 points. We'll have to random that one off. 150 points. Alright, last pack. That's pretty weird. Got a Rashad Ross, rookie for the Bears. Rashad Ross for the Bears. Not numbered. And a Brett Favre Prism. Not numbered.